Hi guys, welcome back to Vegasm. This is going to be a quick video. The ancients have used this. This has been a stalwart of Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. The ginger root, probably one of the most powerful roots that you can use to increase your health. Just like a 30 to 50 ml shot of this per day has numerous advantages. It helps diabetes, inflammation, it's immune system boosting, it's antifungal. I could go on. I'll probably pop a link down below so you can read up a little bit more about this. I've also got a great hack for after you've juiced this so that you don't end up throwing stuff away, so stay tuned for that. First of all, we're going to go and give this a quick wash because you never know what the devils down the supermarket chain have done before you get it. So let's go give it a wash. So there we go, that's the ginger all washed. As you can see, I broke it up into a couple of pieces just to make sure that I could get it as clean as possible. Now one thing that I want to point out at this point, you do not have to process your ginger the way I am. You can do it any way you prefer yourself, but this is how I like to do it. So I cut mine down the length of the ginger like this because this is the way I believe my juicer prefers to be fed. And you can leave the skin on. A lot of nutrition in the skin on the ginger root, so you don't have to be too fancy with it. Just get it chopped, and next up we'll show a quick clip of it going through the juicer, and then I'll show you. I'm just going to remove that little nasty bit on the end there. I'll show you my method, my little hack if you like, on how I like to store my ginger. I'll drink straight from this when it's done, so when it's nice and fresh. So there you go, that's what we're looking for. That'll go through the juicer lovely. Yeah, so I'll show you my little hack for keeping this fresh, and then you can have a little bit of juice every day, or you could add this to your smoothies. Let's get on with the juicing. So we go, we're all set up, the juice is set up. While we're at this stage, I just want to dispel one of the myths about juicing, and that is that it's really expensive. It doesn't have to be. Juicers like this one, I picked this up for £25 on Facebook Marketplace, and it's a really good, it's a slow juicer, so it does a really good job of masticating the ginger, as you can see there. So when they go in on their end like this, they feed into the juicer really nicely. Occasionally you'll have to give it a little push, but ideally you just drop it in long ways and let it do its thing, and give the juicer time to work on the paste that you just put in. So that one's just got a little bit stuck. Yeah, it's laid sideways, so we'll give that a little push. So I'll be back in a few minutes once we get to the end of this. I forgot to mention one of my other, oh look at that piece of juice, ginger, I should have spotted that. One of my other favourite tips when you're juicing is clean your juicer before you do anything else. So I've just popped the ginger juice in the fridge. I'm going to clean this first. The quicker you clean this, the easier it is, and this literally takes me a couple of minutes. So I'll be back with my ginger saving hack after this. Right, so this is where we're going to get a little bit cheeky, a little bit hacky. So first up guys, whenever you're pouring ginger for a shot, or you're doing what we're doing, make sure that you get the pith. There's like a white powder in the ginger, which is actually one of the active ingredients that are good for you. So make sure you get that off the bottom. I'm just going to have my ginger shot for the day. So cheers. This is just an ice tray. And what I want you to do, I didn't get myself a lot of run there. 2 of these equals a shot. And you can either take them out and defrost them, or you can add them to a smoothie. And I usually juice like 1 kilo at a time. So you easily fill one of these large ice trays. Oops. A little bit messy. So once you've filled up enough cubes, I'm just going to do one more, and then that little bit at the bottom, that's going to be chef's perks. So literally just pop these in the freezer. Once they're nicely frozen, you can pop 2 out, put them in a smoothie, or you could pop 2 or 3 out and have them as a ginger juice. That's it for this one. Get you some ginger juice down your daily, and honestly, trust me, you're going to feel better. Thank you for watching Vegasm. I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah.